Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBPUSD in front of us. And if you have watched my previous video, then you can clearly see that things have not changed much. The levels that we talked in our previous video are still very much intact. Okay. So at first, let's look at the chart of DXY. So yes, DXY reversed from the resistance of 108 that we were talking. Okay, and surprisingly, DXY is right now standing at the support, very critical support here. Because after this massive correction also, when DXY is showing signs of recovery, we could clearly see that DXY was forming higher lows here. It signifies the entry of new buyers in the market. So if DXY bounces from this level here, because the trend line is acting as a beautiful dynamic support, if DXY bounces, then this time market will be breaking, okay, high chance of market breaking the 108 level and going higher. Okay, and in case it fails, then it may break the trend line and it will be heading towards the next support of 105.30 to 105 level. So DXY is right now in a very critical level because DXY, okay, DXY, though it has faced heavy selling, but still it wants to go up. It shows the willingness of the buyers to take the market up. Okay, and today we have got many events also lined up. You can see Euro, GBP, USD. Okay, so please be careful during the news, especially beginners, new traders. You can observe the market, okay, but avoid taking any position if market shows heavy volatility. You can see PMI for Euro, GBP and FOMC for USD. So it may bring or it may show heavy volatility. So especially traders with low capital, okay, please try to avoid during the news. You should not trade on every market, but yes, the experience is a different thing. Okay. And this is the Forex sentiment meter. And the Forex sentiment meter, we can see that 66% retail traders are on the sell side. They have taken sell position, and 33% are on the long side, means they have taken buy position. And usually we see market moving against the sentiment meter. So if retailers are on the sell side, means higher chance of market going towards the upside. Now let's have a look at the chart of GBPUSD. So as I have already said that things have not changed much for GBPUSD. Okay, you can clearly see that whenever market is going up, okay, whenever market is going up, it is not breaking the previous high. Whenever market is coming down, it is not breaking the previous low as well. So it's a clean symmetrical triangle pattern. Symmetrical triangle pattern is a bilateral pattern. It means that we may have a breakout at any side. For example, ascending triangle pattern is a bullish pattern. Usually we get to see a breakout towards the upside, but here we need to wait for the right time. And yes, as I said yesterday, that you'll be having a breakout after 1 or 2 days. So I think that we need to still wait for 1 or 2 days, okay, because this is not the right time. And in case market starts coming down also, listen to me carefully, in case market starts coming down also, okay, you can see that the overall trend of the market is towards the upside. Try to understand my point here. Overall, the market, okay, the market structure or the market is towards the upside. So in this case, okay, taking a buy position, okay, taking a buy position at the trend line will be better. Okay, as long as market is not going for any breakout, what you can do is, if market comes down to take support at the trend line, if you see market taking support, you can go for a buy. Okay, instead of taking a sell at the resistance, taking a buy at support will be much higher, because you will be following the trend of the market as well. And as we all know, trend following, or trend is our friend. Okay, very important, trend following. Okay, and overall the big levels on the chart of GBPUSD are, okay, in case market comes down, then 1.1740, 1.1720, because of previous price rejection, we may expect that market will take support. But as of now, okay, market is trading inside this triangle. So yes, we may get a buy opportunity if market bounces from the line at the bottom. If it breaks it, then this level will come for the rescue. As of now, these are the levels. And in case market starts going up, then we may get we may see some selling around 1.2000 level, because this is a whole resistance zone. That's why I'm using the word around 1.2000. You must understand that these support and resistances do not work as a line. Okay, usually they work as blocks, they work as zones in the market. So this is a wholesaler zone here. If market starts going up also, okay, we can expect that market will face some selling pressure. If market reverses from here, we can definitely go for a sell position around 1.2000. It can be 1.2010, it can be 1.2005. okay, so around this level we can definitely expect some selling pressure. Okay, and if you're looking for a big breakout, then you need to wait for a you need to wait for 1 or 2 days more, because still the time has not come yet. And if possible, try to keep your one eye on the XY. My dear friends, whatever, to follow proper risk management, because this is my analysis, I can be wrong as well. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. And my dear friends, if you really like my work, then you can consider joining the Forex Hero Masterclass if you are on the path of learning, if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, because this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop as well. I have mentioned everything on the website. If you're interested, then you can check out the link in the description. I have shared my story, okay, so that you can understand that nothing is impossible. Okay? Nothing is impossible in the market. It's a 3 days workshop where I'll be teaching many stuff, and after that you'll also get support for 1 month. Okay, 1 month support. Okay, so that you can crack the code of the market and fly high. Okay, anyways, bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.